Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Lilith the Cake coming at you with another video. In today's video, we're gonna be doing a night routine. Okay, so my night. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Also like and turn on your post notifications so you may be notified every time I make a new upload. But most importantly, subscribe. Okay, we're trying to get to 700 subscribers. Yay! Okay, so right now it's currently like. It is 5:24. So this is when my night begins. I'm sitting on the floor right now. Sitting on the floor because I was doing some TikToks right here. My phone is on the charger and I wanted to do TikTok, so I was not gonna wait for it to get full, so I wanted to practice. So I decided to come practice in this like little hallway of mine right here. So yeah, so I'm gonna start with my TikTok. That's my night routine, and it usually starts with me cooking. That's how I start my night routine. It is Saturday today, so I have chicken wings on Saturday. It's a tradition of mine in my house, okay? My room, not my house, but my room. I have chicken wings on Saturdays or Fridays. You know, it's just chicken wings Saturday, chicken wing Friday. Yeah. It be lit, okay? It be lit. I'm gonna have some chicken wings and some veggies because I'm trying to be healthy, but at the same time, not so much because we're gonna have movie night tonight because it is Saturday, so Saturday's movie night. It be lit in here, okay? It be lit. I don't know why you wouldn't want to subscribe because you're gonna get some of the litness. Yeah, but my night routine is not really standard. I do have a routine that I do follow, but so yeah, so I'm gonna go cook. I'm watching some YouTube as always. So y'all, let's get this night started. Is there a song that I can like sing that introduces the night? I don't know, I'm so hyped today. I don't know why. I think it's the thing of like being alone, you know, when you're alone, when you know you're home alone. Like alone. Okay, my camera is not all the way charged. I know at some point it's gonna tell me, girl, I need some battery life. I feel like with all my vlogs I'm always cooking. That's because I'm always eating. That's because I love food. I'm kidding, I'm not always cooking though. Like I cook maybe 3 times a week or 2 times a week. No, let's say 3 times a week. I cook 3 times a week. Ooh, it's dark. Yeah. Okay, there is some light. So yeah, I cook 3 times a week because like when I cook for like more than 1 day because I'm not trying to be in the kitchen every day. I find the kitchen very stressful. Like if you want to see me stressed out, put me in the kitchen because that place just makes me panic because like I'm always wondering if the food is gonna taste good or if it's not. Don't like it. I'm gonna bring my ring light because this is yellow light and I don't like the yellow lighting, so I'm gonna bring the ring light so that they can be like some bright light. Oh, look at the lighting. It's so much better with the ring light on, and I feel like I'm always cooking the same things. Like I'm always cooking the same things in all my video. That's because I always eat the same things. Honestly, I never change up my eating habits. Even when I go to restaurants, it's the same situation. I'm always eating the same thing. It's weird. Right now is the part of my night where I get my life together. So basically wash the dishes. Yeah, sometimes I don't wash the dishes at night, but I find it really nice to wake up with like clean dishes. It feels good. For the past week I've been washing the dishes in the morning or in the afternoon. yeah, it doesn't work. It hits different when you wash it at night, when you wash them at night, because when you wake up in the morning, you don't have any like work to do, like chores, you know. So I'm gonna wash the dishes right now, and then wash my face. Or maybe I should wash my face first before washing the dishes, because I put this cream on my face that was given to me by the dermatologist. Is this Retina A pimple cream. It helps with my pimples because it's wilding up in here. Well, right now they kind of calm, but my I want to get rid of these black spots right here, like these black marks and stuff. I feel like I don't know, I just want YouTube people's skin. Have you ever seen people on YouTube, guys? Like, honestly, let's talk about this. Like, wait, hold up, I'm trying to use this lamp as my ring light, but it's creating this dark shade. But have you guys seen YouTube people's skin? Oh my gosh, it's perfect, it's beautiful. I don't know if they're using filters or anything, but what I see, I like it. Okay, it is so good. But anyway, that's all I wanted to say. The YouTube people got beautiful skin. Like, what water? I think it's the water they're using, because we be using the same products, but well, maybe we have different skin types, but like all of them though, like all of them. Anywho, let's go wash the dishes. So my face night routine, I usually just wash my face with just this right here. This is the Eucerin oil control cleansing gel. I have oily skin, so I use the oil control to control the oil. Yeah, I don't know why I keep on doing that whispering. Oh, I look so weird. And I use my electric face wash. I don't know what this is called, I forgot the name. I got it as a Christmas gift from my mother. I almost said from my mother. I don't know why I keep on doing this whispers. So that's literally it. That's all I do for my face at night, because I realize when I do too much, then my face breaks out. But when I do the bare minimum and act like I don't care, but I do, you know, it does. So I find that it like works sometimes. So yeah, let's get into it.
Hey, good looking, Ashley.
The water in the tap is so nice and hot. It's making me want to take a shower, but I'm too lazy. Oh my gosh, but it is beautiful. Like, yo, okay. But I wash my face with lukewarm water. It's just that like I turned the water hot at some point. So it's moving out. I'm gonna get my bed ready, and then I'm just gonna put a chair here. That's how I usually watch my movies. And I'm wearing a hoodie. I'm already in my PJs because I'm trying to be comfortable. Okay, so this is how my setup during movie night always looks like. So I always have like something to just help just take it higher, and then I put my laptop here, and then I have my bed, and I'll be chilling here and watching the movie. I'm currently on YouTube right now, so yeah. And then I have my popcorn here on the side on top of my Bible. Yep. So that's literally the whole vibe. Ooh, I'm zoomed in. That's literally the whole vibe and stuff. That's what I do. My camera is about to die. Oh gosh, okay. So yeah, after my movie night, I definitely do brush my teeth because I am not gonna sleep after eating this, because you wake up in the middle of the night and your breath or your mouth just my mouth just feels weird if I don't brush my teeth after having snacks like this, like during movie night. So good. So definitely gonna be brushing my teeth after this, because teeth hygiene, is that what it is? Yeah. So yeah, that is it for my night routine. That's literally all I do, like all of it, like all I do on a nice night. If I'm not having a movie night, then we scratch this movie night part, but everything else is still the same. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, go check out my other videos. Please don't forget to subscribe. Most definitely do subscribe to this channel right here. Okay, subscribe to this channel right here. Show me some love by liking this video. Also turning on your post notifications so you're notified every time I make a new upload. I love you guys so much, to the moon and back, and most importantly, Jesus loves you. Never forget that. Yeah. Yeah, bye.